Hi, welcome to the channel. On this episode, we're going to be working on the bike, getting it ready to go on another trip or whatever, but I'm really just blinging it up a little bit, but don't tell anybody. Chrome spoke wheels on Facebook Marketplace, and now these wheels came off of a 2008 Road King, and I'm trying to put them on a 2009 Road King, which there's a few things that you have to sort out in order to do that. First thing is the wheel bearing inside diameter on a 2008 is 25 millimeters. On a 99 Road King is 3/4. People, they suggest, just change out the wheel bearings to the appropriate inside diameter. But since these were really new wheels, the guy had just taken them off of a new Road King, or one that was new to him. And so the wheels are in really good shape, the tires are in great shape, and the bearings are in really good shape. So I didn't want to have to replace perfectly good bearings. So what I did was I went on Amazon or eBay, either one. That's where I usually get my stuff. And I got these reducers. And what they do is they reduce the size of the inside diameter of the bearing from 25 millimeters to 3/4 of an inch. The second issue that you have whenever you're going to change the 2008 to work on an earlier version, 99 in this case, is the actual hole that the rotor goes around to set on here. This is larger on a 2008 than it was on the 99. So to get around that on the front, I just ordered some new rotors because I was going to go to chrome anyway. So what I did was I ordered the appropriate size that will fit that, and it's right around 2 1/4 inches. So I got the front taken care of, and then also on the front, the other thing was the wheel spacers. And I found out that they needed to go from what they were down to 1 inch. I don't remember exactly what size it was, like 1.25 inches, I believe, down to 1 inch. So I've been driving this thing around a lot. I drove it back and forth to the lake all week long. I didn't have any issues. I want to get this up in the air further, get this back wheel off, because I know I'm going to have to use a spacer on the sprocket side. I'm not sure about the rotor side yet. So I'll have to get that one off, take some measurements and see. Got a 11.5 inch rotor to go on the back with the right hole. Same thing for the sprocket. The hole had to be bigger. I was going to put an original sprocket back on it, one that didn't look that great. So I had it machined out and made the hole a little bigger, and that worked pretty good. But we're going to do some different stuff today. So we're gonna run it down the road, get some fuel, and see what happens. All right, she's sounding good. She's running good. Get on up here, get up the road. All right, so I just got back from the test ride. Everything seems fine. The wheels look great. That chrome really makes it pop. Made it look really good. Chrome sprocket looks good on there. So I think the spoke wheels look really good on the Road King. Gives it more of that classic look. So anyway, I'm pretty happy with it. We'll see how it goes. So far, so good. Until the next adventure, you guys stay safe, and remember, life's short. Ride.